Oh, nice. This is a new species for me. Oh, that one feels bigger. Oh, nice. Hey, what's up, YouTube? This is Eyer Fishing. Now, in today's episode, we traveled to Sebastian Beach Inlet and see what we're gonna find. All right, so we're on Sebastian Beach Inlet Pier right now. I've got this 4-ounce sinker, pyramid sinker weight, attached with about a foot leader, one circle hook, and some shrimp. Now, with that out of the way, let's see what we can find. All right, so we're trying this other side. The sargassum, I believe, was way too thick. So, without further ado, let's try it over here and see what happens. All right, looks like I caught some stuff. What do we have here? A scared sardine or a false pilchard right there. Oh, here we go. Oh, that one feels bigger. Oh, there we go. Oh, these things are fun. All right, looks like second fish of the day is an Atlantic bumper. There it is right there. Atlantic bumper fish. All right, second fish of the day. We're gonna go ahead and let him go now. Oh, almost right away, dang. Oh, nice, this is a new species for me. Spot tail pinfish, let's go. Let's go. Ha-ha! All right, there you go. All right, we're gonna throw you back. Yeah, I can catch any of those cool reef fish. Ah, here we go. Oh, there we go. Oh, that's so cool. Oh my gosh, I don't even know what this is. Maybe that's definitely another new species for me right there though. Really cool. Oh, there we go. Oh, here's a new species right here. This is really cool. I think the Sailor's Choice. I believe that's a Sailor's Choice grunt right there. All right, we are on a roll. Oh, nice! I got a pork fish. That's so cool. The pork fish. Wow, those are pretty colors. You back now?
Overall, I consider my first time fishing at Sebastian Inlet to be a success, with 6 total fish species, including 4 new lifers. If you want to see more content like this, hit that subscribe button and check out the related playlist and videos in the description.
Fish species.